Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this gorgeous Range Rover Autobiography 4.4 V8 in Indus Silver. This car's previously had 2 owners. As this is an approved used vehicle, you get 12 months approved warranty and 12 months 24/7 roadside assistance. This car's done 36,164 miles. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. You can see you've got pixel LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, giving the car a real modern exterior. You have 22-inch gloss black alloys for a sporty appearance. And if we take a look in the back of the vehicle, you have executive rear class seating, meaning these seats are all electrically adjustable, ensuring comfort is at the maximum. You do also have a centre armrest which can be controlled electrically, which folds down as you can see. Once it's folded down, you can also extend it out further using that button there. You have storage there, along with cup holders in the middle. These seats are also heated and cooled, perfect for winter and summer. And stepping back outside the car, you have a powered tailgate, perfect if you've got your hands full. Plenty of space there in the boot for items such as golf clubs and pushchairs. You do also have a parcel shelf which can be removed if you want it to be. A spare wheel in case of any accidents, and an electrically deployable tow bar which saves time and effort attaching one, as it will fold out like so, and is great for towing things like caravans, boats and jet skis. You can also close the boot using the button here, or again the one on your key. You have privacy glass, keeping personal items more secure, and keyless entry, which again is perfect if you've got your hands full. You have a climate control remote on your keys, so you can set the temperature before even getting in the car, which is perfect for winter. Taking a look inside the vehicle, you've got illuminated Autobiography tread plates and a gorgeous ebony perforated leather seats interior. A sliding panoramic roof, great for letting in more light, but it's also really nice to open using these controls here on a sunny day. So you've got memory seats, handy if there's several people driving the vehicle, along with a Meridian sound system for better quality sound. Electrically folding wind mirrors, which is perfect if you're in a tight space, and blind spot monitor, handy for motorway driving. So you've got different controls on your wheel, a speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control, handy for long journeys and motorways, and a heated steering wheel, which is definitely a must, especially in winter. Bluetooth, enabling you to make calls whilst on the go. And you can also change what you can see on the screen in front of you, whether that's the display, your vehicle settings, vehicle information, media or driver assistance. To my left, you have a touchscreen with different functions, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a 360-degree surround camera. You can also change which angle you want to see the camera from, which really does make parking and reversing so much easier. Ambient lighting with various different colours to choose from, which really looks effective, especially in the dark. Different driving modes depending on the weather or where you're driving. So you've got comfort, grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts, sand and rock crawl, or you can put it back onto auto. Heated and cooled front seats, which again is practical for winter and summer, and these seats are also massage, ensuring every journey is relaxing as possible, and you do have different settings to choose from. A cooler compartment, handy if you go on long journeys often and want to keep refreshments cold. So stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a stunning Range Rover Autobiography. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.